Hi, guys. Happy New Year. It's 2019. Can you believe it? And here we are on January 2nd, and we're ready to start our course. Okay, where are we? Who am I? What's going on? Let's find out. I created a little mini PowerPoint presentation for you here. Let me find it so I can put it in writing. Okay, so this is English 103, Composition and Critical Thinking. I am Nuala Mary Linka, aka Nunu, your friendly teacher guide. Okay, and I have three things to tell you at the beginning of this 5-week course. What are they? Let me bring them up. Okay, so first, you are in a 5-week accelerated course. You are doing 16 weeks worth of work in just 5 weeks, okay? We have 10,000 words in academic prose or writing that we have to complete. We have many intricate, interesting texts that we have to read, and we're doing it in just 5 weeks. There are no assignment deadline extensions. I cannot accept late work. So if you're not prepared for this workload, please consider dropping the course, okay? This will be fast and furious, but interesting, I hope, okay? And fun. The learning process should be fun. Okay, so what is the second thing I have to tell you? Well, the second thing is that all assignments and readings are in modules. Let me click back on our course here and show you modules here in the left menu. You can click on modules here or in this handy link that I create for each week of the 5-week semester for you here, week 1 in modules. You can click on this and all the assignment directions, everything you need to read is right here. I'm going to click on this handy link and it takes me into week 1 and all of our assignments are right here. Okay. Please do not begin working on them on Friday, assuming that you have a lot of time to turn them in because they're due on Friday. The assignments have many things that you need to do. Some things are due during the week on Wednesday, and then maybe peer evaluations are due on Friday. So click on them immediately and begin work, okay? So let me click on this back arrow here and take us back into the home menu, and let me go back to my little PowerPoint presentation. What is the third thing I have to tell you? The third thing, I am available in Inbox, in Canvas, Monday through Friday. If you send me a message on Saturday or Sunday, I may not respond to it until Monday. I'm a single mom with 2 kids, 3 cats, and 2 dogs, and I'll be grading all weekend, grading your assignments. So try to reach me Monday through Friday. And if you have a question about an assignment, don't wait until midweek. Reach me right away, okay? Don't wait until the end of the week either. You need to reach me immediately if something is not clear, and I'll respond, okay? I respond very promptly. Okay, so I'm going back into home here, and I'm going to tell you one more thing, a fourth thing that I didn't put in my little handy point power presentation. And what is that fourth thing? Okay, I wanted to tell you that I am a person on the other side of the screen, and I know that you are too. Okay, I know I'm not teaching a person without feelings, a robot. I know you're a human being like I am, and I love you. Not in any weird, freaky way, nothing inappropriate, but I love you as your teacher, as your guide, and I care about your academic and personal well-being. And I'm very approachable in Canvas, but I need to remind you again that you are in a 5-week course and there's only so much I can do. If you have an emergency that sidelines you, that stops you from submitting assignments, you'll probably have to drop the course, okay, or consider dropping the course because we need to complete 16 weeks worth of work in just 5 weeks, okay? I'll say that again, 16 weeks in 5 weeks, okay? I am here if anything is unclear to you, assignment directions, you just need to talk, you have something you want to share with me, I am in Inbox, okay? And Inbox is over here. You just click on Inbox right here, and you find this icon here with the pencil and the paper. Click on it. Find our course here. I'm going to just click on anything right here. But you would find our course. I have a big long list, and you'd write the first part of my name, and it would pop up, and you would write whatever it is in the subject line that concerns you, such as the journal, write me a note, click send, and I'll see a little number here. A 1 will pop up, or a 2, however many messages I have in inbox, and I'll know you've sent me a message, and I'll respond to it very quickly. Again, try to write to me in Canvas if you have a question or concern, Monday through Friday. Okay, on the weekends I may be busy with my very busy household and grading. Okay, so I'm going back to our handy little PowerPoint presentation here. These are the 3 things I have covered, and please take them to heart. And I will take you to heart in an appropriate way as your teacher. I care about you. I want you to do well. I want you to learn meaningful, important things, knowledge that you can use outside of this online classroom in the real world. Okay, let's get started. All right, I'm going to have to start by putting on my glasses so I can see. I'm going to wish us well. All right, Happy New Year again.